morning, guys. This morning I was about to make coffee and then I realized I was out of coffee creamer. Ugh. I don't like my coffee without creamer, so I need to go to the store and pick some up. I'm gonna walk because Pete has the car for the day and it's really not that far and it's a nice day. It's a little crispy, cool, but I like it. It's a nice fall day. I also need to pick up toilet paper because we're getting really low and I don't want to run out of that because, ew, not fun. So let's make an adventure out of this, shall we? Alright, let's go. Haha. How they tell you not to shop when you're hungry? Yeah, I went to the store to get toilet paper and coffee creamer and I ended up also buying eggs, hash browns, and breakfast sausages. Oh, and a donut. So apparently I'm craving breakfast. Okay, I'm back home and now I don't know what to do with myself. I'm probably just gonna kick back and catch up on some YouTube watching, maybe crochet a little bit more, finish the scarf that I started yesterday, and wait for Pete to get home and then see if he wants to maybe go for a hike up at Pal Butte or something. I don't know. So I'll get back to you when something a little more entertaining happens. Sorry that it's been kind of a slow morning, but that's life, right? It happens. I'm trying to make my vlogs as entertaining as I possibly can. I'm not used to daily vlogging, so this is a challenge for me. Hopefully you'll stick with me. I do have lots of stuff planned on the weekends, just unfortunately not this weekend. So every weekend in October except for this one has cram-packed full of exciting, fun Halloween type things. So we just got to get through this weekend and then Monday through Friday. One of you guys suggested doing some tag videos, so I'm going to do some of those next week. I think that would be a lot of fun. If you have a favorite tag video that you want to see me do, leave it down below. I did the Halloween tag last year, but I think I'm going to do it again this year just to kind of revise it because things change over time. And I think it was Darcy, she mentioned doing the fall tag, so I'll do that. I think that'd be a lot of fun. Anyway, I'm going to quit babbling, blah, 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 because I need to go make something to eat. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. All is good in the world. I have coffee. Yeah. Oh, I also have hiccups really bad. Unfortunately. Okay. Ah, dang it. Ah, shoot. Okay, I'm in my office. I have an Etsy order that I need to package up. Somebody bought, oh, excuse me, one of my catnip bats. So I have plenty of them made up already. So I just have to grab one off the board. Oh, one off the board. And then package it up. And it's going to Glendale, California. Alright. So, I'm going to do that and I'm going to try to get rid of these hiccups. So I'll be back. I think my hiccups finally went away. Let's hope anyway. So I'm sitting here, doing my Etsy thing, and I noticed I got a notification saying that one of my items was featured in a treasury list. Wow, I can't speak today. So I'm checking it out. It is Hopefully you can see that. It's called In Dog's World. And these are all of the featured artists. And this right here is my medium dog batwing halter harness. It was featured in this treasury. Yay! How cool is that? I'm going to put a link to this treasury on my Gothic Beagle Facebook page. So if you want to check it out, you can. I will also put the link to my Etsy shop in the description down below. It looks like the weather's going to be kind of gloomy all day today, so most likely we'll not be going for a hike later. So instead, I'm just going to be hanging out around home, puttering, crocheting, maybe doing some sewing. Since I am in the office, I'm kind of feeling motivated. I have a costume here that's Church's from last year. It's his Underdog t-shirt that I sewed a U on the front of, and then a cape. Well, the string part came out, and I don't know what happened to it. And instead of dealing with trying to re-string it, because that's a pain in the butt, I'm going to clip these little ends and attach the cape to his t-shirt. So I think that's what I'm going to do right now. That way it'll be a lot easier on the dog when he's wearing it. Instead of having a cape tied around his neck, it'll be attached to the t-shirt that he'll be wearing. So it'll be movable a lot easier on him and less stress around his neck. Yeah, so I'm going to do that right now. I apologize for the horrible lighting in my office right now. I only have this light up here, and then I have that light there. My studio light is actually downstairs, and I'm feeling a little too lazy to drag it all the way upstairs, so my lighting in here is poo. And the natural window lighting is kind of blah because it's a gray, gloomy day. So, I'm sorry. I don't know why I felt the need to apologize, but I did. That was kind of hard to sew because the t-shirt fabric is stretchy and it kept wanting to pucker up. But I've got the cape attached to the t-shirt. Now I'm going to put it on Church to see how it looks and feels on him. There's no need to fear. Underdog is here. Hey, Church. How do you like your costume? Is that better? The cape's all attached now. Yeah, I like it. It's so cute, buddy. He's like, no, I'm embarrassed. Don't make me be seen in the vlog. Church. You're cute, buddy. You're so cute. Alright, I'll take it off. You party poop. Today's video is all over the place. That's just a day in the life of, I guess, my randomness. I just got back from crawling around in the garage again, so I'm a little dusty and dirty. Whew, spiderwebby icky. But I found some more Halloween stuff that I want to put in the living room. So I've got this really cute witch's broom, pumpkin garland, a really cute pumpkin plaque, a book of spells, and a haunted house that you can put a candle in. So I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put these things. Okay, so here are the new additions. The haunted house is going to go right there. I think that looks really cool. The little metal pumpkin plaque is going right here by the stairs. I put the Esmeralda's Book of Spells here. There used to be a little goofy piggy bank. I removed him because it didn't look right on this shelf because he's so happy, and Disney and everything else here is kind of horror, Halloween, goth themed. So Esmeralda's Book of Spells is there. And then I put the witch's broom here next to my Abby photo, and I put the garland above the Abby photo. So I think that looks really good. Nice, complete, spooky look. Yay! I don't know if I'm going to do any more decorating. I might, little each day as I find things. I'm slowly picking through stuff in the garage as I find it. I have trunks and boxes and so much stuff to go through. It's insane out there. It's a mess. There's no rhyme or reason. I don't know if I'll be buying anything new this year. I want to, but I don't have the room for it, and I really don't have the money to be spending on stuff. But I do definitely want to hit like the after Halloween sales, because deals, get things for half price or more, whatever's left over. Most of it's usually picked over, but I don't care. I like stuff. Halloween spooky stuff. Yay! Okay, I'm babbling again. Alright, I'm back in my office again. I just got another Etsy order. This time it's for one of the Harry Potter inspired dog scarves that I've been crocheting. They wanted the Gryffindor house colors. So it's a good thing I've been working on some. I'm actually currently in the middle of crocheting more for my inventory, so that when I do get an order, I just have to box it up. It's ready to go. I don't have to stress over making it. I'll have several on hand. So right now I've got 2 made up, and I'm in the process of making the 3rd one. That way I'll have at least 3 on hand. I want to keep making them throughout the month as I get orders. I just got a text. Anyway, I'm gonna box up this order. I'm glad I haven't gone to the post office yet. Yay, what a day! Yay for Etsy orders! Woohoo! I'm thinking with the way the Etsy orders have been going today that I'm gonna not worry about going to the post office today. I'm gonna go on Monday morning and mail everything. That way, if there's any more throughout the weekend, I could get them. And if my Hellboy plush toy winner for the drawing that I'm doing tomorrow, if they get back in touch with me in time, I could also mail that as well. Well, yeah, so don't forget, on my first Vlogtober day 1, which was my September favorites video, I'll link that in the description down below, I am doing a giveaway, and to be eligible for it, you have to first be a subscriber. You have to be subscribed to my channel, and second, you need to leave a comment on that video. So commenting on this video to be entered in that contest will not count towards that. It has to be on the September favorites Vlogtober day 1 giveaway vlog. So what I'm going to do tomorrow is I'm going to sit down and write down all the names of all the people that have commented on that video, and then I'm going to double check and make sure they are a subscriber, and then all those names will go in a little bucket, and I'm going to draw a name on video, and that will be the winner, and then I will notify you to get your mailing address so that I can send the little Hellboy off to you. Just in case you missed it, This is what he looks like. Super cute. So yeah, the link will be in the description for that video. So go check it out. I think I'm going to put the video to an end right here. It's been quite an eventful day. I'm all over the place. I'm going to just take it easy the rest of the night, catching up on some emails and some YouTubes, and do some more crocheting. Like I said earlier, I just haven't gotten around to it. So now I'm going to relax and finish that scarf so that I have more in my Etsy store. Anyway, yeah, I'm starting to babble. I'm tired. I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye!